Our in-depth administrator course for PBCS provides comprehensive coverage for those wanting to develop more effective, optimized, and better performing applications. This course is aimed at implementation consultants, developers, and the more technical system administrators wishing to leverage the potential of this powerful solution in order to build more effective and resilient applications and workflows. There's a huge focus on design considerations and how to apply best practice during the build. We'll also give careful consideration to the maintenance and support of your PBCS instance, and we aim to get you up and running fast. In this first chapter of the course, you'll be looking at how to navigate within Oracle's Planning and Budgeting Cloud Services, or PBCS as it's better known. You'll see how to navigate within the cloud environment, access task lists and data forms, and discuss the use of preferences and user variables. You'll also learn about the use of financial reports from within the cloud environment, and will provide a high-level overview of how plan types and currencies are utilized within this cloud platform. And we'll introduce you to sandboxes and predictive planning that are covered in more detail in later chapters. Each chapter contains a variety of workshops for you to undertake within an Oracle Cloud environment. In this first chapter, you'll begin by logging into PBCS and get a better understanding of how to navigate within the system. You'll then access a data form via a task list and use it to try out data entry and navigation techniques. Your subscription gives you 90 days access to the course material and 28 days of continuous access to a live, hands-on lab environment. You will need to request access to your hands-on lab before attempting the workshop. You have 28 days of continuous access once this has been activated, and you'll use the same lab throughout the entire course. If you're not finished within the 28 days, don't worry, as you can purchase a hands-on lab extension if required. Remember that Keyteach instructors are standing by, ready to help if you need assistance or guidance. Check out the learning objectives that appear below this video, and remember that to get the best from this course, you should try to work through the various chapters and the content in a systematic way. I hope you enjoy the training. Watch out for more new courses on our website that will help support your journey to the cloud.